Here we've got a new girl group called Tri-B. This is just a 2-track album with Loca and Doom Doom Ta. It looks like the single is called Tri-B da Loca, which, if you ask me, especially the Vida Loca, is like Vida Loca, crazy life. Maybe you know Ricky Martin, living La Vida Loca. This is coming out of a powerhouse production and record company. So the main producer who put this group together is Shinsadong Tiger, who more popularly made a big name for himself producing groups like 4 Minute and Beast, Tiara, A-Pink, and EXID. And in fact, the songs on this album, this debut album, mini album, single, was also co-produced by Ellie, the rapper of EXID. But pretty chunky thing for just the initial release. So the production company is TR Entertainment, which I guess is directly related to the Tri part of this, although the period is 1 letter over. I don't know. But also Universal Music Group, which is one of the major labels. So they're handling distribution on this as well. But I thought this packaging is pretty interesting because, let's take a look at it. You've got this slipcover. On the side, you've got the name there, Tri-B and Tri-B da Loca. On the bottom, it's sealed. On the side, you got the other side, but on the top, it's open. So let's go ahead and dig in and see what we've got. There we go. So pulling it out, here's the slipcover. It's just white inside. But then on top, you've got the photo book. And then afterwards, you've got this. This is the CDs and photo cards. So let's take a look at the photo book. It's got a nice UV print here on the letters, so you can see those are shiny. Plain spine, nothing written on it. Tri-B logo on the back. Let's do a quick flipping. I do not know all of the members' names, but seems like they're all pretty young. I think they were all born between 1994 and 2004, so that's a decade's worth, or decades difference between the 7 girls who are part of this group. I saw the music video already, and they are definitely more dance-oriented than EXID. A lot more complex group choreography. Looks like we get 2 different photo sets in the span of this book. Again, 7 members. Got the lyrics here. You can see down here that Ellie, who was spelled E-L-L-Y before she debuted with EXID and then went L.E. during EXID, is now back to E-L-L-Y. Here's our credits page. Let's see, focus. So inside here, we've got a portfolio with the CD. Anything underneath? No, just plain black underneath. And again, just 2 tracks on here. Come on, get back on that spindle. And then actually a good handful of big photo cards here. Looks like you got the band one. Oh no, oh no. This one's all kinds of crinkled. So you've got the group and then individual members. Doesn't say the name of the members here, but it's nice that it looks like it's got alternating colored backs. I'm going to assume that it goes from oldest to... No. I was going to say that it might go from oldest to youngest, because I think she's the youngest, but she doesn't look like the oldest. Then we got a pocket here with the regular photo cards. So we got a photo card here with a sun. Looks like the member's son with the signature there. Got a Polaroid style one. It's not Polaroid, of course. It's just printed with a white frame with a message that I can't read. Yeah, replicating the Polaroid style with the film back. And then a business card for Kelly with blood type and zodiac sign and birth date, I guess. It's a nice, cool style. And yeah, pretty nice gift set for a brand new band. It's got some good weight to it. And with big name company and producer behind them, hopefully they'll go far. I liked what I heard of the debut single. I like the dancing with the robots. We'll see where Tri-B goes in the coming years.